Hi everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about 3 free amazing tools that all content creators should know about going into 2024. No matter if you're making faceless YouTube videos, podcasts, tutorials, explainer videos, or anything in between, these tools will take your content to the next level with very little effort. The best part is they're 100% free, no subscriptions, trials, or hidden fees required. So whether you're just getting started creating content online or you're a seasoned pro looking to step up your game, these 3 tools deserve a spot in your creative toolkit. Let's get into it.
Around the block.
First on my list is Vokoscreen, an open source screen recorder for Linux systems. Vokoscreen makes recording your screen a walk in the park. Just open the app, select your screen record area, choose your audio sources, select which monitor or application windows to record, and hit the record button. It will immediately start capturing razor-sharp 1080p 60 frames per second footage of anything on your PC screen. Better yet, you can enable the webcam overlay to embed a picture-in-picture view of your camera feed of different sizes. This is perfect for tutorials, demo videos, reactions, and more. Vokoscreen webcam capture is super customizable too. You can resize, reposition, add borders and shadows, and enable chroma key screen. Now, speaking of customization, one of my favorite aspects of Vokoscreen is the annotation toolkit. You can enable drawing tools mid-recording to sketch, doodle, and annotation key parts of your video in real time. These are necessary for live in-video illustrations. There are a variety of pen types such as the line width, the colors, and basically more to choose from. What's more, these annotation layers are then embedded directly into your exported video file. No need for a secondary editing program. Now, Vokoscreen gives you the option to set global shortcut keys, and this global shortcut keys allows direct control of recording from your keyboard, like your pause, stop, magnification, and then the snapshot, and a host of others. For audio, Vokoscreen supports input from multiple sources like your microphone, your system audio, and then your webcam. You can set individual volume levels, add compression, noise suppression, and more for the cleanest sound capture possible. When you finish your recording, you have multiple output options available too. Available export video formats include the MP4, the WebM, the AVI, the MKV, and then the MOV with customizable resolutions and aspect ratio. You can even split long-form videos automatically based on file size or time limit. And again, because Vokoscreen is 100% open source software, all of these amazing tools are free for anyone to use or even modify to their needs. For a full-feature screen recorder packed with tools that rivals paid product, it doesn't get much better than with Vokoscreen. I recommend you give it a try in 2024. The next tool is actually my most amazing and useful tool, and I recommend it 100% if you're a minimalistic content creator. It is called Adobe Podcast Speech Enhancement Software. Good quality audio is crucial for podcast success, but editing and enhancing audio has traditionally been difficult and expensive, but not anymore with this cutting-edge AI platform. This podcast toolkit includes powerful noise reduction, automatic click and pop removal, vocal isolation, and frequency balancing tools that used to require expensive plugins or audio engineering degrees to basically achieve. What's incredible is Adobe makes all of these high-end tools available for free with just a basic Adobe account. Let's talk about how it works. So you just finished recording your audio but notice some background hiss and noise in the vocal track. That's where Adobe Podcast Enhancement comes in. Just drag and drop your track onto the platform and the software starts to analyze your audio using some AI and machine language learning algorithm in the background and automatically strips out unwanted noise while preserving the speech. In just one click, you get an amazingly clean studio quality vocal audio. Trust me on this, exactly the type you're hearing right now that feels like this video is recorded with a professional microphone. Can you believe this same studio quality enhancement tool would have cost hundreds of dollars just a couple of years ago, and Adobe offers them totally free to anyone with a free account? If you're serious about your podcast having the highest audio production quality in 2024, you need to be using Adobe Podcast. It's by far the easiest and most affordable way to make your audio clean and professional with just one click. I have the links to all of these free softwares in the description of this video. Do well to check them out. My last recommendation on the list of free tools is CapCut by ByteDance. At quick glance, CapCut appears to be just another mobile video editing app like iMovie, but don't be fooled. CapCut packs a ton of professional grade features I'm yet to see rivaled by any free competitor. We're talking about multi-track timeline editing, seamless transitions, powerful color correction tools, stock media libraries, direct export to YouTube and Instagram, and the list goes on. This is all delivered in a streamlined desktop and mobile interface that in many ways feels quicker and easier to use than conventional desktop editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Unlike some freemium apps, CapCut includes zero ads or paywalls that gate important export options or advanced tools. The entire Studio Caliber toolset is 100% free with unlimited use forever. Now, let me try and spotlight some of CapCut's standout editing capabilities. First, we'll talk about most mobile editors just stack clips in one video layer, like basically a slideshow, severely limiting creativity. But on the other side, CapCut blows that away with a flexible multi-track timeline more akin to professional software. Also in CapCut, you can mix infinite video clips, images, audio files across distinct layers in the timeline. You can stack B-roll video and cut between different angles. You basically can also insert sound effects that sync perfectly with visual cuts. CapCut makes arranging complex timelines effortlessly intuitive. Another game changer is CapCut video and audio transition options. Basically from standard cross dissolve to flashy glitch and flash transitions. You've got over 20 unique transitions at your fingertips. This helps weave clips together smoothly with dynamic motion. Of course, no video editor will be complete without color correction abilities. CapCut enables easy color changes with intuitive controls similar to Adobe Premiere Pro users. It also allows you to adjust tone curves, shadows, vibrance, and more with precision across the entire videos or specific clip segments. CapCut packs a load of extra tools like customizable text template and titles, dynamic topography, speed adjustment, and keyframing without the difficult learning curves of a professional software. Finally, CapCut simplifies sharing final videos directly to leading platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook with properly configured export settings. It allows you to maintain the highest visual quality while publishing your videos. In addition, the mobile version of CapCut has recently been upgraded with the following unique features, such as a text-to-image that allows you to generate unique images from text prompts with the use of artificial intelligence, AutoCut features, AI model, AI posters, video captioning, teleprompter, high-definition image enhancement, and a host of others. These are one-of-a-kind feature no free competitor has been able to offer. For creators aiming to level up videos with polished transitions, audio mixing, color grading, and more, CapCut puts extraordinarily robust editing power right in your pocket, 100% free. The streamlined and intuitive interface means you will be cutting sleek professional caliber content in no time without costly subscription or desktop licenses. If you're ready to upgrade your video editing abilities dramatically, then you need to check out CapCut for mobile and different for desktop. These are just 3 of my favorite free tools for video content creators heading into 2024. With no financial barrier standing in your way, they are absolutely worth adding to your creative toolkit. I hope you found this overview useful. Let me know which of these creative apps you plan on trying first and the type of content project they will help you produce. All of the links to all of the apps which are mentioned in this video are in the description of this video. Do well to check each and every one of them out. Leave any questions down below in the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more tips to grow your online audience. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.